Welcome, I'm is a Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold power key, select power off, and once the device shuts off, you will then hold power key and volume up. Select that right now, power, volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the Redmi logo, you can let go. And as you can see, we're now in recovery mode. So from here, using volume keys, you'll navigate, as you can see, up and down, and whatever you select, you will then confirm it with the power key. So as you can see, you can wipe data from here. So you wipe all data. I'm going to cancel that. You can simply reboot the device and connect with Mi Assistant. Now, because I want to leave this, I'm going to select reboot, confirm it, reboot to system, so power key once more, and you can see that the device is now going back to the Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.